County in north-central Georgia, Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Hall County in north-central Georgia, north-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Union Hill, or near Canton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Cumming, Milton, Holly Springs, Free Home, Buffington, Doherty, Hickory Flat, Drew, Union Hill, Coal Mountain, High Tower, Birmingham, Matt, Silver City, Holbrook, Lidentown, Ducktown, and Lake Lanier Islands. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.